So, good day everyone. So, my name is Charles Waymot from BSCPE 4A. So, today I will be discussing about a finite state machine. So, my example is for example, is a traffic light. So, first, you will see here the three colors of green, yellow, and red. Um, So in the other side, you will see the truth table, which is the state and so also the next state. Also here, you can see here the event and also the inputs, which is the time will be elapsed by a 30 seconds. So here I will explain to you about how it goes. So from the time we already have a 0 1 0 1 0 1. Then in state we are R is for red, green for G, green also, and also yellow. So in the next day, here for example, um, in the next state how it will be explained. So zero, uh, color red is also a zero, which is here before he passed by a time one. So if red pass through a time one, so next thing will be getting by um, plus one, which is the next state will be green because it will pass through the time one and going to green. Then also you will see here the green, which is zero, of course, before it get passed through. So what green one, so um, lalagpas siya dito sa time 1, so magiging yellow siya, which is the next state will be yellow. So here again is 0y, which is 0 yellow. So nandito pa lang siya. So bago siya mag-pass by is dadan muna siya dito, which is pupunta siya sa yellow. Then 1y pass through in to the red. So every time they get to pass through, mag-elapse muna sila ng time every 30 seconds. So in state 1, um, the main street, which is the green side street, traffic can flow on the main street. Then the second state, uh, main street yellow. This is a warning state indicating that the main street light is about to change. Then the third one is the red one. So it means traffic can flow on the other side of this street. Then event or in the inputs, we also hear the a elapse, which is a set of amount 30 seconds. The trigger that can cause state change for a basic system. This is often a timer. Then in transition, um, what I like what I said earlier, after a set of time, the system transition to a system 2, which is the main yellow. Then the main yellow is after a shorter time, the system transmitted into a green side. So the third one, which is the green, after a set of time, it will transition into a red one. I mean the red one is going to transition to green one. So about the solution, this traffic lights a controlling of perfect finite state machine. So example, because it was a fixed finite number of state, or also a three combinations of colors, the system behavior is entirely determined by its current state and the single recurring input, also a timer. So when the time expires, the system flows a predefined transition rule to move to the next state in the sequence. This model ensures the traffic lights operate in a predictable, safe, and continuous loop, never getting into a valid state. So That's all. That is my example of a finite state machine, which is the traffic light. Thank you.